Hey there, welcome to SaaS Talk. In today's fast-paced business landscape, efficiency is key. And at the heart of the organizational efficiency lies enterprise resource planning or ERP systems. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one for your business? Today, we will dive into a comparison between two prominent ERP solutions, Next ERP and Odoo ERP. Join us as we explore their features, functionalities, and benefits to help you make an informed decisions for your business. Let's start with the Next ERP. Renowned for its robust functionalities and user-friendly interface, Next ERP offers comprehensive solutions tailored to meet the diverse needs of business across various industries, from finance and human resources to supply chain management and customer relationship management. Next ERP seamlessly integrates all aspects of business operations into centralized platform. With Next ERP, you can streamline your processes, optimize resources allocations, and enhance collaborations among your teams, ultimately driving productivity and profitability. Now let's dive deeper into its key features. First up, Next ERP offers advanced financial management capabilities, including real-time financial reporting, budgeting, and forecasting. With its intuitive interface and customizable dashboards, you can gain actionable insights into your financial performance for better decision-making. Now let's talk about supply chain management. With Next ERP, you can optimize your supply chain process from procurement and inventory management to order fulfillment and logistics. By automating routine tasks and streamlining workflows, you can minimize cost, reduce lead times, and improve overall efficiency. And let's not forget about customer relationship management. Next, ERP offers a robust CRM module that allows you to manage your customer interactions, track sales pipelines, and analyze customer data. By providing your sales and marketing teams with the tools they need to succeed, you can drive customer engagement and loyalty. Now let's turn your attention to Odoo ERP. Hosting a modular approach and a vast ecosystem of apps, Odoo ERP empowers businesses of all sizes to customize their ERP solutions according to their specific requirements. Whether you are a small startup or a multinational corporation, Odoo ERP offers scalability and flexibility to adapt to your evolving needs. With the Odoo ERP, you can start with the modules you need and easily add more as your business grows. From accounting and inventory management to project management and e-commerce, Odoo ERP covers a wide range of functionalities to support your business operations. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features of Odoo ERP. First up, Odoo ERP offers highly customizable dashboards and reporting tools, allowing you to monitor key metrics and KPIs in real time. Whether you are tracking sales performance, inventory levels, or project milestones, Odoo ERP provides you with the insights you need to make informed decisions. Next, let's talk about project management. With Odoo ERP, you can efficiently plan, execute, and track projects from start to finish. By centralizing project-related information and fostering collaborations among team members, you can ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget. And last but not least, Odoo ERP offers seamless integration with its e-commerce platform, allowing you to manage your online store and streamline order processing. With features such as product catalog management, shopping cart functionality, and payment processing, Odoo ERP enables you to deliver a seamless shopping experience to your customers. So how do Next ERP and Odoo ERP take up against each other? Both offer a wide range of features and functionalities to support your business operations. However, they differ in their approach and focus areas. Next ERP excels providing comprehensive solutions with a focus on financial management, supply chain management, and CRM. On the other hand, Odoo ERP stands out for its modular approach, scalability, vast ecosystem of apps. Ultimately, the choice between Next ERP and Odoo ERP depends on your specific business needs, preferences, and budget. We recommend evaluating your requirements carefully and exploring demos or trial versions of both systems to make an informed decision. Whichever you choose, implementing the right ERP solutions can drive efficiency, innovations, and growth for your business. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share and subscribe for more informative content. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Until next time, goodbye.